Yeah, this is Gal Gal. Big up Gal Gal. Idea we are spending a little time together, no? Yeah, upon the yard base come get home and wife go work. Man. So family how you doing? Yeah man, you know say our brother asked me to do a video upon the new goat, but I gotta do it as soon as possible. Plus me have one to do upon kid. Well today is my first kid for January. Born today. Well I forget salt for Gal cause today I'm mineral salt in my liquor right there, so I go them eat and live. And splash and smell it. Don't forget one mineral salt for him go and lick. Yeah, this is Gal again as me say. Him get thin out cause dry weather you know and thing. But still I give thanks. Up bless me have a new kid. Born this morning originally. We have a look power go on with him. So yeah, as I was saying, I was told to do some like take care of kid and thing. Me me in my pen, me have some pen stay. Call it shabby pen. But guess what? You see the little sanitary place also? I just a kids stay till them 3 months. Well, this is one more than 3 months, but we lock you through. I keep him away from the mother, you know. So my 3 months, you know, keep him away from the mommy. Win him off, so I must stay so eat some bag feeding and eat some grass since morning. And the boys them are there, you know. So naturally, I can do a thing. Me supposed to tag the goat here today. I'm gonna tag him today too. But I'm supposed to do a level on the something there. The level and tagging and also I'm supposed to do a level and the kid, how you take care of kid, pressure when they're in the belly until now. Right now I'm feed grains, not whole heap of grains as me tell you say me no hobby like, you know. But I feed grains, little grains, you know, to something there. To me pregnant mother who still have kid. Feed the pregnant one them too, no, but no whole heap. And like how this goat you know, the spot goat here, have one kid this morning, she up on her fourth kid you know, her fifth kid. She give me two one time, first time one, then two, two ram, then one ram, that four ram and give me and one, number five is a yo. She has teeth you know. Take her out of her pen, make she chill out with her mommy. Hold on man, may I get something here man. So see all about the feeding. All about the feeding, yo. Calm down no my girl. Calm down man. You can't get in this. Yeah, go and take care of me so come. Get one pan gear feeding. So family and friends, thumbs up to the big boy there. Ocean. A big man know me have time. Cause the little girl me have over the side, I head for road, I road sheep. Sometimes I go to take by good for we love where you see on road in the car. No matter how much bush you have them. I just road there and go. Watch big boy, I feed you want to know, I don't give no feed. You say them want to eat some grass, some dry leaf from getting dry matter in our system. Love up YouTube, one God, one destination. Thank God for another day. This is 11th of January and I give thanks because guess what? Made it near and nearer than yesterday. You know, everything nearer to destination. No matter what happens, I draw closer. And that's either for better or worse, but nearer where I go. So what may I say? To God be the glory, great things He has done so all over the world that He gave us His only begotten Son, that whosoever believe in Him shall not perish but have everlasting life. You know, God not come to kill and destroy, you know, but He come that you and I may have life and have it more abundant. Loving Father, we thank You for coming on earth to take a plea our case on Jesus. We thank You for Your love and Your mercy. We thank You for watching over us up to this moment. From nothing we come on this earth with, empty hand. But Lord, prosperity somehow You have given to us. As we grow older, we even grow more wiser. So we thank You for wisdom. We thank You for knowledge. We thank You for understanding. Hide us now, Lord, all family under Your wings. Keep us safe through COVID and keep us through the criminal, the thief them, Lord. Have mercy upon us and grant us a ear of no thief in Jesus. We ask and give it.
If you stand up for those down on their knees, and lend a voice to those who cannot.